section 3.6.3, and we're talking about Sage code. This has got to be the simplest line of code in the entire Prism Mathematic Products Challenge text here. But now, just 2 to the 29, right? I can certainly type that in. No reset necessary. There's no variables here. And I get a number, all right? So I got to be honest with you, this is not what we're looking for you to do. But, you know, I'm always curious when I'm doing a problem and I'm thinking about it, and I often wonder, you know, did I think through it correctly? And sometimes I convince myself of something that's simply not true. So I want to recall that this one over here, again, I felt, you know, it's a difficult problem, in my opinion. Maybe I'm not seeing it the right way, but all the digits 0 to 9 appear in the integer 2 to the 29 exactly once except for 1. Well, I got to be honest with you, if I were like on a competitive exam, I probably could do 2 to the 29th. But I don't think in a competitive exam they'd be looking for you to do that. They'd be looking for something a bit more elegant. And by the way, I am not claiming what's over here is elegant. I'm just not claiming that, all right? What I'm claiming is they're looking for something a little bit better than someone multiplying a number out. But, you know, if you have a calculator, I guess it would help you, but you could still do it by hand, by the way. But again, what was our question? It says, you know, all the digits 0 to 9 appear. Let's see if that's true. I see 1, 2, 3. I don't see 4, do you? Nope, I don't see 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 is the only digit that I'm going to appear there. So what did 4? Clearly, looking at that, I have no problem with doing that. I might get dizzy looking at it, but I have no problem doing that. The number's not that long. All right? So, you know, my claim over here is that there's something a little more elegant in that. But anyway, the missing digit's 4. All right? So someone says, well, if I had access to a calculator, do I need to do this stuff over here? Not really. But the point is, you're trying to convince someone that you have something more elegant to do than use some basic tool like a calculator or even hand arithmetic to do that. Try to convince them why a 4 doesn't pop up. All right? Again, I don't think this is the greatest argument in the world. Your mileage may vary. You may have a better idea. And again, I always say, like when I'm doing these videos, if you have a better idea, you really need to share it. And why do you need to share it? So other people can see it. All right? Other people can see what you've done. Again, thank you for paying attention.